Hello, I'm Ridwan, and for CC487 Data Intensive Computing Lab 2 project, we were required to do data analysis with tweets and news articles, and we were required to do the data analysis using Hadoop. So, to give you all an idea about how I did that, at the very end, I made this website. So, if we go to the About portion of this website, I have mentioned in details about how I did everything at first. So at first, I collected nearly 40,000 tweets related to Donald Trump using R and Twitter package. And you can actually find the code that I used if you go and click on this link. So here's the code that I used to do that. Now, if I go back, I can, there is also the word count generator code that I used in Hadoop and word co-occurrence among tweets and news articles that I used in Hadoop. So for collecting the news articles, what I did is I went to this site, developer.nytimes, obtained the API key, went to the article search, and clicked on try it out. So after pasting the API key, I passed on the parameters and entered the begin date and the end date, and then I collected all the news articles link using this link, and then saved each article as a text file for processing in Hadoop. So what I did in Hadoop is first I used the word count code to get the word count for each one of for each words in the text, and later on I found the co-occurrence word count pairs for the tweets and the news articles. So if I go back to home, you can see my results. At first I made a cloud of the tweets collected between this range, and then I made a word cloud of the news articles that I obtained, also between the same date range, and then I found the words that were occurring the most and in pairs, the top 10 words. So as you can see that I got some pretty good results from running the data analysis. So kind of like this proves that there is some kind of relation among these two words, Trump and Hillary. So we know that they both competed for presidency last year. And then I also got some results relating to years and taxes, years and companies. So these were some of the common trending topics in news articles. And you can actually see some kind of relations if you obtain such a word count pair. So going back, so these are the top 10 words, and I've also made this search bar in my website, but haven't provided the functionality for it yet. So I'm kind of like thinking that after getting different sorts of word clouds, I've done it with Chrome. So maybe for football or basketball, and getting all those results down here, I can kind of like get the search results based on which word clouds I want. So that's it. Thank you.